Hi friends, welcome to Cooking Craft, and this is Sadhana here. Let's go and see what's the recipe today. Today we are going to make the RidgeGuard vegetable, which is also called Turai in Hindi. Before we go into the recipe, I would like to just explain a little bit about the vegetable. This is a water vegetable and it has got a lot of goodness. Kindly Google and see in the net what are the benefits of health with this vegetable. And second thing is, when we go to buy this vegetable, sometimes it can turn out to be bitter. What you do is you buy something which is straight. If it is straight, at least for sure 90% it is not bitter. That is one thing. If it is curled, some vegetable will be like, slightly curled or crooked. Don't buy that vegetable because that will be 100% bitter. So what we do is, before we go and prepare the other ingredients, even though the ingredients are very little and simple for this, what we will do is we will wash the vegetable very well, because we are going to use the skin in another recipe and the pulp in this recipe. So what do you do before you cut your onions or chilies or something? Just cut the vegetable like this and just pinch a little and just taste and see whether it is bitter or not. Otherwise, after you cook, the whole dish will go waste. So just to keep a check on that, we will do this process. Now let's go into the recipe. Before we go in, I am going to peel all this skin and take out the pulp separately. I'll cut and show you, then we will go into the recipe. I have peeled the vegetable. This is the skin. We are not going to throw the skin. We are going to make a lovely recipe, and I'll also tell you what is the benefit of consuming this vegetable while we are cooking. Now this is how you peel, and we can just chop it. This might look more, but then it is a water vegetable, so as you're cooking it will also shrink and become little. So we will roughly cut it like this into small pieces. We are going to add some oil now. This is about 2 teaspoons of oil. We'll wait for the oil to be hot. The pan is hot. We'll add some jeera to it. We'll add some green chilli. You can add green chilli as per your spice. I've kept the stove on low flame. We're going to add some curry patta. This is a very quick recipe, and it's very good in summer because it's all water content fully. And also this vegetable, like most of them don't know, this vegetable has got a lot of medicinal values and properties, especially for women in menopause who get hot flushes. Now I'm adding some onions. Let's saute this onion. So try and consume this vegetable, at least the ladies who are in menopause, who are going through hot flashes. Try this vegetable, it's very, very good. We'll allow this onion to just turn transparent. The onion has just become transparent. This is how it has to be. And for this vegetable, you will add little more of onion because it gives a kind of little sweetness to the dish. In case if you see any matured seeds inside the vegetable, you can always remove them. So at this point, I'm going to add the vegetable inside this. And we will not add any water to it right now. If we need, we can always add it later. We'll give it a nice mix and add haldi, some dhania powder, some salt, and we'll give it a nice mix now. And we'll also cover it with a lid. The vegetable has been cooking for about 10 minutes now. What I did was, in between I was just stirring, so whatever the water in the lid, I just allowed the water to go into the vegetable. Now the vegetable is done almost, so you just check whether the vegetable is cooked. Here what you have to do is, like when you buy this vegetable, make sure that you finish cooking it in a day or so, otherwise they get very fibrous, like it can get little hard. So try with this measurement and let me know in the comments how this vegetable turned out for you. You can also have this with your roti and hot rice, it goes very well. Friends, our RidgeGuard vegetable is ready, which is also called Turai in Hindi. Just try out this sabzi. This is also made in a different way with tomatoes also, which I will be showing later. So try out this style. Our RidgeGuard sabzi is ready. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, and if you like my recipes, please share it with your family and friends. Thank you.